This is my hometown, Thailand. This is Yunnan, China. This is my university. I am Tharathip Chandi from Thailand. Do you think the water splashing festival is only like that? No. It can also be like this. 海上泼水节，我们来啦！ There grew up by the sea in Thailand, and even though there is just a special way to connect with the ocean water splashing at the sea, I could sit in Hanjiang. Every passing boat eagerly scoops the water to splash on me. I know that this dam was sincere blessing. Hanjiang was an important part of ancient Quanzhou, opposite to its light Lugang part of Taiwan. The navigation between two parts started over 200 years ago. Merchant ships set out at dawn and returned full of goods every day. Hanjiang's economy and culture prospered, while becoming a key hub for cross-strait trade. People from both Fujian and Taiwan have long believed that drowning the water on Dragon Boat Festival may bring good fortune. Boatmen would clean their vessel with seawater on this special day, which gradually evolved into splashing water on each other with joy and blessing. That's the origin of the unique seawater splashing festival in Hanjiang. The sea carnival celebrates the kinship across the strait. Every year on the Dragon Boat Festival, both from Quanzhou and Taiwan gather for a grand ceremony. Every drop of seawater carries sin blessing for each other. Quanzhou people often say, strive to win. Today we are giving it our all. Look at the sea! Isn't it full of blessings? China Dragon Boat Festival radiates the lively energy of midsummer. It's a carnival for all. Right now, I feel like I step into a brand new world. The joy I never imagined is beckoning me. All I need to do is immerse myself in this happiness. As nightfall and the achievement fade, the typical Chinese seaside nightlife is kicking off. Over the past decade, I celebrated many festivals in China. This Dragon Boat Festival is undoubtedly the most special one. I think the Chinese people profound reverence for nature and their love for life. They are always happy to share joy and blessing with everyone. On this Dragon Boat Festival, I received the blessing from friends in China and the sea. And I wish the sea could carry my blessing to the ones I love and to everyone chasing their dream.
สุขสันต์วันไหว้บาจ่างขอให้ทุกคนสุขภาพแข็งแรงตลอดปี